How to remove domain from Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to remove domain from Base44. So to get started, go ahead and sign in to your Base44 account, and then you'll get redirected into the dashboard, and then from there, open the project where the domain is connected. So go ahead and head over into the apps tab, and then go ahead and select the project where that domain is connected, and then head over into the dashboard tab and then select domains from here. So into this section, you'll be able to find all of the domains that you have. So you can click remove or delete. Confirm the removal when prompted. If you no longer want Base44 to serve your app on domain, go to your domain register and remove or update the DNS records. That point in Base44, this ensures the domain will no longer course routes traffic to Base44. So after removal, your app will no longer be accessible via the dropdown. It will still be available at your default Base44 subdomain. So after removal, your app will no longer be accessible via that domain. It will still be available at your default Base44 subdomain. And that is how you can basically remove domain from Base44.